Alright, it's definitely not a completely different day, and yesterday we didn't go all the way to Oyster Bay to see a car show with 6 cars at it, and then go all the way to Brooklyn for another thing that we were there for 10 minutes and the cops came and kicked us out, so that didn't happen. It's the same day, and we're going to Captree. Apparently this is going to be a much bigger car show. I was going to start videoing when I got there, but there's just so many cool cars on the road today. I wanted to start going now. Like, even now we were chopping it up a little bit with that ISF over there, but I'm not going to go after him. So yeah, it's freezing cold today, but we should have some fun and hopefully see some cool cars. Coming across the Robert Moses Bridge. I know a lot of guys, it's funny because I'm from here, but a lot of people, you know, you never get to see the ocean or anything like this, so pretty cool. Sorry to stick my phone in your face, Christa. The car show's somewhere over there. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna do our best to figure it out. We'll check in when we get there. And so before we get out, we're a little bit early, and there's already a lot of cool stuff here. This is way better than the shit we went to yesterday. There's a lot of cars back there, but I don't know if I want to go back there. I don't really know the lay of the land yet, and it seems like the higher end cars are over in this area, so I'm gonna stay over here. We'll go walk around a little bit once we kind of figure out what we're doing. 5.7. Oh no, that's an Artura actually. There's an F8 Tributo. There's a C8. I think that's racing yellow. No, that's speed yellow. 992 turbo. I don't know where the BMW bros are, and I've moved my spot twice now, so we're just gonna park here and hopefully some BMW bros find me. We're walking around, I stumbled on this. This guy's lower than me. Same color. It's really nice. Damn. These are the wheels I was gonna order, and I didn't order. This is a sick RS3, man. 1.2. This is friggin' madness, dude. Coolest cars here. It is pretty sick. Hello, goofy boy.
Yeah, kind of.
Some really, really great titanium work under here.
This airfield, and it was like
Set up. All the Beamers have Apex wheels, dude. I'm gonna fit right in. Yeah. These wheels are cool. Maybe I'll come back and get it, but that M4 CS over there is sweet. So is this already. This car of the show. Award goes to. So many people around it trying to get it on video. It's so good. To give you an idea what's here, there's just cars everywhere. This is crazy. It's overwhelming. I'm trying to get some cool stuff. This thing is so nice. Green boy. Look at this. Look at the cappuccino. There's a 3 Series right there, and the license plate says blame. Big turbo in the 1 Series. Alright guys, Future Ron here. I'm editing up the video from the Captree, you know, Cars and Coffee thing, and I forgot to film an outro. I'm getting better, but I kind of choked on that. This was a couple of weeks ago, and since then I did film another video on my iPhone where we went to an event, and it was pretty cool. You know, hopefully it comes out well. And then we went out east and we went to one of the beaches. So hopefully that video comes out good. And then I did get a camera. I bought spent some money. I bought a camera. I got a wide angle lens, and I'm hoping that improves the quality. It'll definitely make editing easier because getting videos off of the fucking iPhone sucks. So I have one more iPhone video to edit up, and then I can edit up that one. The one I filmed on my camera is going to be kind of funny. It's I had a loaner car that wasn't too great, so hopefully you guys will get a kick out of that one. So there's 2 more videos coming, and then on Saturday I'm doing the racing event out east, so I'll film something for that. And I'm going to try to keep bringing you guys stuff. Hopefully we're just going to get better and better. I was very uncomfortable in this video at that giant Cars and Coffee event, just walking around with all the people trying to film stuff on my phone like some weirdo. So I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy, but with an actual camera, I'll be a lot more comfortable, filming other people's cars and doing stuff like that. So hopefully the quality continues to improve, and you guys keep enjoying what I'm putting out there, and I'll see you in the next one.